This is why I don't watch YouTube tutorials sometimes. Howdy guys! So as you can see of the title of this video is I'm going to cut my hair by myself. The reason also I'm going to cut my hair because in here in Thailand guys it's very hot. Easily get sweat, especially right now I'm shooting and even as the aircon is on, oh my god, I'm already sweating right away. So I watch a lot of tutorial. As just show on the video, like you need a rubber to tie your hair. I have 3 rubbers in here. I have this scissor, but it's really recommended to use a proper scissor that for hairs. And I don't have that, so I'm just gonna use this one. And I think this is sharp enough for cutting the hair. I also have water spray in here because it's easier to cut your hair if your hair is kind of like wet, half dry, something like that. So guys, I'm gonna start wetting my hair. Make it, I think it's the middle already, right? Okay, need to wet a bit. Oh, I hope this will work guys. Okay, in the back, it need to be like really flattened. So for the second one, you need to comb your hair again. Wait, okay. Wait, can you keep that? Oh, guys, help. Wait. Guys, nakaganito siya. Ano ba yan? Uy! So ito, guys, tingnan niyo. Tingnan niyo yung pagkakat ko. Ano ba yan? See? This is why I don't watch YouTube tutorials sometimes. It hurt. Oh my god. Ay, pag ganyan siya. On the way, pag ganyan siya, it's... Oh my god, it's okay. I can fix this, I think. Okay, wait. Tanggalin ko na. I'm gonna remove it first. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, my hair. Bye. Pero ang soft ng hair ko po. Soft ng hair. Ayan. Ayan po yun. This is... Mga ano ata siya. Dito is 3 inch. Ito 3.5 kasi ganyan siya. Wait, I just need to comb my hair first. Need to wet my hair. Oh my god, guys. Oh my god. Wait, guys. Oh my god. This is why I don't really watch YouTube. Oh, it's not even straight. You need to put your hair on the front and it should be like this. Kinda like that. My hair is feel thicker now that I cut it. So ganyan daw. Ayan. Oh my god. Wait. Oh my god, I need specialists. Okay. Buang. ganyan siya. Bayan! Ito nga. Bayan, pagupit ko na lang sa jowa ko. Para straight talaga. On the vlog, if it's in the front, it should be like, kinda like this. Like, slanting. Pag-upit ko na lang 2 straight sa jowa ko eh. Pisti man eh, ganrong. Just gonna blow dry my hair and style my hair, and yeah, I'll see you later, guys. Hi guys, I already finished blow dry my hair, so here's the result. Here's the final result. So this is the one I cut. So about 4 inches. See? This one is 3.5 because it's kind of like this. But I'm happy with the result, guys. And yeah, I'm gonna show you the back if it's really straight. If it's not, I'm just gonna ask my boyfriend to straighten it. They show on some tutorials it's easy, but it's kind of hard, especially if you want it really straight. But yeah, so here's the result, guys. I hope you like it. I hope you like it, guys, and find this helpful. I know it's not a perfect straight on the back, but I'm happy. Charot. Oh. Diba? Charot. So guys, thank you. So guys, I think that's it for my hair cutting by myself journey. I don't know, cut my own hair. Yeah, you know what I mean. But yeah, I think that's it, and I guess see you on my next video. Bye, love you all.